my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to show you guys how I created this makeup look. So if you would like to see how I created this look, just continue to watch. For concealer, I'm using the Juvia's Place Concealer in 13 just to prime my eyelid, cover my whole lid area. Just the whole eye area. If you watched any of my old videos, I told you guys that this concealer is my best concealer for my eyelid. It's not too thick and it's not too thin. In my opinion, it's just right. Okay, so for my transition color, I'm using the Jackie Aina palette. You guys know this is my favorite palette when it comes to transition. I'm taking Ginger, this color right here, and I need Jackie, Aina, or Anastasia to make this ginger eyeshadow into a single pan eyeshadow, because this is my favorite and I'm almost out of it. Place it right in the crease area. I'm not sure if the true color is picking up on my camera, but it's definitely a pretty brown, warm tone eyeshadow for the crease. So now that I have my transition shade down, the next palette I'm taking is Desi X Katy, the Dose of Color palette in the Friendcation. And I'm taking Chiro, this brown right here, and just apply it in my crease area. Also another pretty brown eyeshadow too. It's definitely like a medium dark warm brown eyeshadow. Look how well the eyeshadow colors blend together. Real nice. To deepen up the outer corner, I'm taking this dark brown and just apply it in the outer corner area. To cut the crease, I'm taking the P. Louise eyeshadow base in number 4 and just apply it on my lid area. This color right here is called Necessary, and just apply it on my lid. I'm going to just pat this color on. Actually, you know what? I'm going to mix it in with Basic too. Clean it up, I'm going back in with this brown color just to clean up my cut crease. So I'm just going to take it and apply it at the end. Take some of that dark brown, just go back in and just sweep it in, making sure everything is blended together. And just apply it in the outer corner. Josie Maran Argan Oil, and I'm just going to apply this all over my face. The Milk Hydro Primer, Grip Primer. So for concealer, I'm using the Too Faced Born This Way concealer in Butterscotch. Set my concealer, I'm using the Makeup Forever Matte Velvet Skin Finish in Y405. To add on top of that powder, I'm using the Mercier setting powder in Honey. For powder, I'm using the MAC Mineralize face powder in Dark Deep. For bronzer, I'm using Bobbi Brown bronzer in Deep. I'm using Artist Contour in Honey Drip. Spray my beauty blender with the Bakerie setting spray. This is going to give me that wet finish. For blush, I'm taking MAC Pink Swoon. To finish off my eyes, I'm going to go ahead and add the Urban Decay 24/7 Glide On Eye Pencil in Whiskey, this brown eye pencil. Go back and add Wonderlust in the inner corner eye area. And for lip pencil, I'm using Colourpop BFF3 and BFF4. For lipstick, I'm using Shayla Time Colourpop lipstick and Slow Down, which is a nude. For lip gloss, I'm using Artist Couture lip gloss and Sugar Daddy. And to finish off my face, I'm using a Beauty Bakerie setting spray. Okay guys, this pretty much completes my look. I hope you guys really enjoyed my tutorial today. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you made it this far in the video, don't forget to hit the like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.